Hello YouTube vintage stereo restorers, preservers, appreciators. Here's something from the golden age of audio. A Kenwood TK-66 from the late 60s. I just gotta show you this faceplate. Let it focus. Look at the condition of the faceplate. Knobs are just as good. The glass dial. Even the inside of the chassis is still shiny. But being from the late 60s, it needs a certain amount of work. But this is kind of a middle model of the golden age. Why was it the golden age? Because they just worked so well, and it was sort of such a good product. Now think about this, how right they got this design just maybe a decade into solid state audio, if that. They really got it right. And who gets this stuff right now? I mean, look at the electric car thing that's going on. I was watching a video on a news channel locally, one that went up in flames 3 days ago, and it's like, oh, another one of those. Yeah, good design, guys. Anyway, we'll leave that aside. Why was this a good design? Well, it was all solid state. Kind of an interesting hybrid even at this time. The tuner boards right here actually have germanium transistors, whereas the phono preamp and the outputs are silicon, except the two PNP drivers, which I think are 2SA56s or something like that. But they're germanium, and I will make them silicon. It's very easy to do, very small modification. Those orange transistors that you see are the famous C458s. The orange ones are the really early ones. They're all going to be gone. I'm going to get rid of this weird bulb adaptation here, put some fuse lamps in. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, it's such a nice unit. And think about when this came out, okay? The Addams Family was on the air. The Munsters were on the air, the Flintstones. Okay, I'm dating myself here, but anyway, there's only one downside to this baby, and it's this volume control. Really noisy. And I've sprayed it, tried it a couple times. It's still noisy, especially the left channel on the first quarter turn. I've cleaned it and lubed it. Usually, if it's just dirty, a bit of cleaning and it will come right back. If it's worn through, it's not going to come back. I'm going to have to hunt for another one. And it seems to be these dual volume controls more than any others. And it's an Alps control. It was top quality in its day. Anyway, that's a good start on this one. It's mainly original components. There's the couple replacement resistors I noted in the power section. But that happens. Sometimes they just get overheated. Anyway, I'll do another video once I get into the work on this one a bit. Thanks for watching and listening.